Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Johanna Wagstaff with a check on your weather for a very wet week ahead. You've probably all heard the dire warnings. A series of Pacific lows will be making their way onto the west coast over the next 3 to 4 days, and by day 4, so that's Wednesday night into Thursday, parts of the south coast, mainly the mountainous sections, we could be talking 30 centimeters of rain. This also comes with warming temperatures, winds, and the heightened risk for mudslides, landslides, and flash flooding. So let me break it down for you, starting off with the warnings. Everyone in yellow, those are the wind warnings in place, starting in the Haida Gwaii sections, tracking down the Sunshine Coast. The green, Metro Vancouver Howe Sound, that's the rainfall warnings. Between tonight and tomorrow morning, we could be talking 30 to 100 millimeters of rain. Definitely high variations, the higher amounts towards the mountains. And this is just the first of several rounds of rain. So these rainfall totals just through to tomorrow morning. Winds, by the way, have already been gusting over 100 kilometers per hour. Seeing the gust right now off the northwest coast of Vancouver Island and Sunshine Coast getting hammered tonight. It'll be windy for the south coast. Victoria also under the wind warning. So here's where we're at right now, just for the 2 p.m. hour. You can see showers starting to spread across Metro Vancouver. The bulk of the moisture, though, still back towards towards Vancouver Island. That's where we'll see the bulk of it. But you can just taking you out towards the bigger picture. Look at this surge in the radar. That's what's headed our way. So very heavy rain tonight through the overnight into tomorrow morning. I want to show you what the big picture looks like as far as rainfall timing. So through the overnight, picking up. As we head into the 5 p.m. hour, definitely higher amounts towards the North Shore. That's where you can see the yellows and the oranges. Staying heavy through the overnight and through tomorrow morning, especially towards Howe Sound. Again, quite the variation in rainfall totals between, say, Delta, Richmond, and Squamish. Between 30 and 100 millimeters is the story. So tomorrow afternoon we actually get a bit of a break. You can see things lessen up towards Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, but then watch this, Tuesday overnight into Wednesday, the next round of rain moves in, and it's going to be another washout of a Wednesday night into Thursday. As for rainfall totals, so this model is between tonight and tomorrow afternoon, and you can see, again, Delta 17 millimeters, Squamish 148 millimeters. So this is where we have the concern for high rivers, potential for mudslides and landslides and flash flooding. Same story on the island too, and down towards the Cascades also getting the higher amounts. Okay, keeping this running through to Wednesday night. Look at that second push. So this is just a 2-day total, already over 200 millimeters, and we'll get a second surge Wednesday into Thursday. That could bring the totals over 300. Temperature is also a big story. This is a Pineapple Express setup, so an atmospheric river carrying subtropical moisture from the Hawaiian Islands up towards the south coast. Temperatures will be raising freezing levels to above 2,500 meters, so a lot of melt on the south coast. You can see those temperatures staying warm right through the weekend. Looks like we get a bit of a break Thursday afternoon through to Saturday, and then fresh rain in the forecast for Monday morning. So a lot to get through, but the takeaways, a lot of rain Monday night into Tuesday, higher amounts towards the North Shore, and this is just day 1 of about 3 to 4 days of this kind of wet weather. We'll have more details tonight.